Top packing hacks every traveler should know. Hey everyone, welcome back to Global Travel Tips and Culture Hacks. Are you tired of overpacking, struggling to fit everything in your suitcase, or constantly forgetting essentials? Well, you're in the right place. Today I'm sharing the top packing hacks every traveler should know to make your trip smoother, more organized and stress-free. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or planning your first adventure, these tips will totally change your packing game. So, hit that subscribe button and let's dive right in. First up, the classic but powerfully effective hack: rolling your clothes instead of folding. Not only does this save a ton of space, but it also helps keep your clothes wrinkle-free. Imagine fitting an extra pair of shoes or a few more shirts just by rolling your t-shirts tightly. My trick? Roll clothes as tight as possible and pack them snugly in your suitcase. Trust me, this simple adjustment can double your packing capacity. Next, let's talk about packing cubes. These are a game changer for organization. Think of them as your personal closet in a suitcase. You can separate your undergarments, t-shirts, or even your electronics. Plus, they make unpacking super quick. Just grab the cube you need. For longer trips, I recommend color-coded or labeled cubes for even more efficiency. I once traveled for 3 weeks with just a small carry-on thanks to packing cubes. It was life-changing, and such a big difference too. Want to cut down on the number of items you pack? Pack dual-purpose items. For instance, a scarf can double as a blanket or a stylish accessory. A travel jacket with multiple pockets can hold your essentials, and a pair of versatile shoes can go from daytime sightseeing to evening dinners. This way, you'll pack smarter, lighter, and more efficiently. I once packed only one jacket that served as rain gear, a pillow, and a fashion statement. Talk about multifunctional. Here's a clever trick: use your shoes as mini storage containers. Stuff socks, chargers, jewelry, or small accessories inside your shoes to save space and keep everything organized. Just make sure your shoes are clean to avoid dirtying your clothes. This trick saved me from bringing an extra pouch for small items on my last trip. Keeping your suitcase tidy is key. Always pack a laundry bag or recycler plastic bags to use to separate dirty clothes from clean ones. It helps prevent odors and keeps everything organized. Plus, these bags are great for separating wet items or shoes after a day at the beach or pool. On a recent trip, this hack kept my suitcase smelling fresh and made unpacking at home so much easier. Work smarter, not harder. To lighten your luggage, wear your bulkiest clothing during travel. That heavy jacket, boots, or thick sweater can be worn on the plane or train, freeing up space in your suitcase. Plus, it keeps you warm during transit. Double win. Once, I traveled with a winter coat on my back and packed lighter overall. It made a huge difference. These are the little tricks that gets the job done. Bonus tips: use travel-sized containers. Use refillable bottles instead of buying minis each trip. Tech organizer: keep chargers, cords, and adapters in a dedicated pouch to avoid tangles and loss. Bring universal adapter. If going international, bring a good quality adapter that works in multiple regions. One of the most underrated but important hacks is creating a packing checklist. List essentials like travel documents, chargers, toiletries, and clothing. This prevents overpacking and ensures you won't forget anything crucial. Plus, it helps you pack systematically and avoid last-minute stress. I always check off items as I pack. It's a simple habit that saves a lot of hassle. A checklist is so important. Do you use a packing checklist? Or do you prefer packing on the fly? Comment below. For longer trips, try the one item per day rule: pack only what you need for each day. This prevents overpacking and encourages you to pack versatile, multi-use items. Plus, it makes unpacking and repacking easier. During a 10-day trip, I only bought 5 shirts and rotated them, saving space and weight. Would you try this method? Let me know in the comments. And there you have it, the top packing hacks every traveler should know. Incorporate these tips into your routine, and I promise your next trip will be more organized, lighter, and way less stressful. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow travelers, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and hacks. Do you have a favorite packing hack I didn't mention? Or maybe a travel disaster you avoided thanks to one of these tips? Drop your stories in the comments. I love hearing from you.